Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Adil and today's video is all about adding a reversing camera on to this gorgeous VW T-Roc convertible. So today's video I'm going to be showcasing exactly what the work we've done on today's vehicle. So vehicle, absolutely lovely spec, perfect for our client, however was missing that one final touch of adding that reversing camera that the client had on their previous vehicle. So it's really important that you can add these sorts of things and integrate them in perfectly into the original system. So we've got the actual camera system here. So we've got the Profit wedge camera at the back, which sits in perfectly, and it just goes actually just above the number plate area. Then it's a physical cable run that goes all the way from the back of the vehicle all the way into a little control box which sits behind the dashboard area. And what that does is it links in really nicely into the original screen. As soon as you engage reverse, the image comes up on that screen. You get the active guidelines, you get PDC overlay, and then you also get your parking sensors actually still operating as well by an audible tone, but you've got that little PDC overlay just so you can see everything in motion and exactly how it should be. So on this particular vehicle, everything is fully integrated into that original screen. It's literally seamless integration of adding that reversing camera into the particular vehicle. So if you're interested in having this same solution added onto your vehicle, our workshops are based here in Cambridge. All our details is in the description below, but feel free to go check out our website for different upgrades you might want to add on after having this upgrade done like we've done for this client here today. So thank you once again for watching today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. And also, if you do get a moment, smash that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one.